Stop this conversation.
Hello guys, I'm back at it again with another video. This time I'll be showing you guys the latest update to my portfolio. I did a lot of changes because I realized that my portfolio was too clunky, had a lot of information, and navigating was very stressful. So I decided to redo my whole portfolio site, and right now it's way better. It's a single page, so you can navigate it very easily on one page, be it on your laptop, mobile device, or tablet. So I wanted to show you guys the progress that I've made, and let's jump into it. So right now you can see this is my old portfolio website. This is the home page, and you have tabs like about me, work, projects, and the projects are dropped down, so you can see hardware, mobile apps, web, blog, publications, achievements, and social media. So let's click on about me. So this was a brief description of me and what are the works I've done, what I was specializing, what education I've done, areas of expertise, and go to work. Now this is the work experience that I've done so far, projects. So you can see navigating was quite hard, not navigate easily on this portfolio website. And achievements and all that story. So now when you come to the new version of this portfolio website, you can see it's looking way better, it's crisp. And even when you load on the site, there's this animation that comes when you first load on the portfolio website. So now you can just have simplified all this into home, about, qualifications, achievements, projects, and where you can contact me. So this is the home, and now when you click on about, you can see a brief description of who I am. Go to qualifications. This is my education, the work experience, certificates. Then if you need more details, now you can click on this button to take you to work experience. So click on it. So what I did, I took the whole website and remodeled it now. So now it has the work. If you need more details, it has my work and more details on the projects. So this is the work, and page 2. So that was qualifications. Now you have come to achievements, things that I've been able to accomplish. And what I did for this achievement, I just added videos, because I believe seeing it is way better than reading about it. So for all these, the honors, you have the video you can see. Let's say click on see video, so you can see the president mentioning us for our project. So I think when you add such elements to your portfolio website, it makes you really stand out. Because what I realized when people are applying for jobs, they usually have the standard CV, and black and white. It's very dull, there's no flavor to it. But now when you have a portfolio website, the employer can now see visually what you have done. And even can see that you not only done a degree, but also you have done other things like web development, app development, such things. And it's even better if you actually make this portfolio website by yourself, because you learn a lot along the way. So now you can see the videos, the awards that I've gotten in videos. And now you come to the projects, which is the cream of the of the whole portfolio. This is what basically separates you from the rest. Like, what have you done outside learning? What projects have you done as a person? Because what I realized is that most employers look at the projects that you have done, and came to realize that most people don't done a lot of projects. They've just done the degree, and then that's the end of it. But if you have projects that you have done and you can show them, not just talk about them, but show them, then you will stand a lot. You stand out from the crowd, because now the employer will be like, hey, this guy has done this and this, and outside the degree, and these are all the things and the projects he has done. So you can see that you are driven for one, and you're disciplined for going out and about to learn new things. So I think that the employers really look out when they are looking at your CV. So in this projects, you can see you can have all my projects at once. You can go to the robotics, see the robotics projects that I've done, see the web development, the websites that I've done, the app that I've done, and even the blogs that I have. I have 2 blogs, my 2 cents, and Kenya developer. So in my 2 cents, I go through books, courses, and life in general, things that I learn along the way. And the Kenyan developer is basically where I write. It's like a tutorial website of showing guys what the steps that they have taken to make websites or apps or other things. So that was the intention of the Kenyan developer. So I also have a YouTube channel where now I'll be actually making videos and going through each step along the way, so to make making websites quite easy, because that's what I saw it was lacking in the tutorial videos I was seeing. It was really broad, but now in these videos I want it to be in detail and showing you why I have done this and this and how to do it. Yeah, so that's the intention of the Kenyan developer, the blog and the website. And also I've made guides where people can use now, like let's say the Instagram clone using React.js. So when you view this guide, let's click on it, you can see all the steps that I've taken from start to finish. So it's like a manual basically for those people who like to actually read about it and do them, because people like reading tutorials, people like seeing the tutorials, even some like hearing the tutorials so that they're able to understand. So for those who like to read and use it as a point of reference, they can now go to these guides now. So it has introduction, project setup, it's quite long, the app layout and all those things. So it's a big guide. It has about 97 pages. So it's a big comprehensive guide that you can use to actually make an Instagram clone using React.js. So I have this one for Instagram, I have for Twitter. So now my plan is for this year to make more content in terms of web development, app development, and make more videos about it. Yeah. So that's my projects. So if you're not satisfied, now you can click on these projects, these small projects, and I can take you to all the projects that I've done, the web development, all the websites and web apps that I've done. So it's quite a big list. So this is why I really needed to trim the fat that was in the previous portfolio, because I've added a lot of information that you can't navigate through easily. But now if the person is interested in seeing more projects, you can just click on these more projects. You can see all the projects that you've done. This is the website, so then you can go to apps, and you can go to the blog, and you can go to publications and such things. Yeah. Then now if the person has interest in contacting me for projects, offers or consultation, they can email me in this email button, email link. And yeah, so that's my portfolio for 2021. It's very simplified. It doesn't have a lot of information, just the key information. And if the person wants to see more, they can see more using these projects. And if they want to see my social media handles, which are just here: LinkedIn, YouTube, GitHub, Twitter, Instagram, and on the blog. And if they want to download my CV, just click on download CV, and they see my CV offline. So that was my intention for remodeling this portfolio website. Makes it easy for people to see what I've done, and if they need to get in touch with me, they can get in touch with me quite easily. Yeah. So that is my portfolio one. So if you guys have any comments, suggestions, you can leave them in the comment box below. And I hope you guys learned something, like the importance of having such portfolio websites. Really makes you stand out and really helps you actually come to realize how much you need to do in order to stand out in this world, because it's getting quite competitive. And if you just use the traditional methods, you're not going to actually be a top earner or a high professional. So it's things like this that make you stand out, that make you push your career further by continuing learning and learning new skills like this web development. I just learned last year. Things like this actually help you to become a more wholesome person. You don't just do the degree and then you hope you get a job, but adding such things now actually help you land the job now if you are interested in getting a career. So if you guys have any suggestions on what videos I should do or on what to improve on, please let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you guys like this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.